Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and welcome to my channel. Today with another special video. Today we will redraw an old drawing of Goku. This drawing right here is from 2013, so 6 years ago when I was 21 years old. The drawing itself is not that bad. The proportions are quite good, and as this is not a very easy pose, the drawing is okay. But as you can see, the details are not very accurate. So we will see how much I have improved over the years. This drawing was also colored with Copic Colour markers, so I will use the same materials, so no excuses. Okay guys, enough talk, let's see how the new Goku will look like. Let's go! So, the hand was very difficult to draw, and overall it looks amazing in my opinion. The proportions are perfect, and I managed to place the hand completely in this drawing. If we compare the two drawings, you can see that I really improved a lot. Even the sketch is far more accurate than the line art of the old drawing. But this is just the beginning, guys. Let's finish up the new Goku, and then we can really compare and see the actual improvement. So let's go!
Down the
guys, finished, and it looks absolutely amazing. The pose was done very successfully, the line art is very accurate, the coloring is dope, and also the color choices are way better than before. Let's compare the two drawings. I think the difference is huge. Even though the old drawing is really not that bad, you can see how much I've improved on the new one. It looks far more professional, far more accurate, and the proportions are also way better. You can see the biggest difference in the aura. The accuracy on the new drawing is huge compared to the old one. Also, the scratches are way more realistic, but I have to say that I really try to create an epic drawing, and 6 years is a lot of time to improve. So I think it's a reasonable result. But the main reason why I did a video like this is to show you guys that you can also improve and become a pro artist just like me. So around 5 years ago I started drawing again with a lot of passion and dedication. I drew almost every day, and that's why I'm in this position, and you can do that too. You will have days where you can even draw a stickman properly, but if you stick to it long enough, you will get better, and after a period of time, your improvements will be huge. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, give this video a big like. That way you will show me your support and your love. And there is one thing I would like to know. Since when have you been drawing? So how many years? Write that down below in the comments, guys. And of course, if you're new on my channel today, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you will not miss a single video from now, and trust me guys, you don't want to miss anything from now. And that's it for today guys, thank you for watching and I see you very soon. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.